So you are trying to sell your iPhone, but before you send it off to the manufacturer for that killer deal, or before you toss it off to that random on Facebook Marketplace, there are some things you need to do to protect your information, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. I'm going to give you the top 5 things to do before you sell your phone that you really should do. There are plenty more, and you can check those out at WhistleOut.com, but if you just do these 5 things, you should be fine. I'm Sherry, your telecom expert with WhistleOut. Let's go. I'm not going to show you how to do all of these step by step. Again, you can find that on WhistleOut.com. I'm linking that up here or in the description below if you need some extra help, but lots of these should be pretty intuitive. The first thing you need to do is back up your device. You need to back up everything from your phone to the cloud. If you don't do this, when you log into your new device, transferring could be a little bit tricky and you'll likely be missing some photos, videos, and you'll have to re-download every single app from your first phone onto your second phone manually. But I guess that's okay if you're looking for a total reset on your life. Otherwise, you really should be backing up to the iCloud. The second thing you should do is kind of self-explanatory, and you might have done this naturally anyway without me telling you, but this is transfer your information. Before you get rid of your original phone, you really should make sure everything is transferred over to your new phone because, again, otherwise, that'll make transferring very hard. You can download straight from the cloud, but it's easier if you have both phones set up and working right in front of you to make that transfer go as smoothly as possible. Don't hand it off to the Facebook rando until you transfer your information. Now, once you've done steps 1 and 2, we can hop on to step number 3, which is logging out of everything. Before you toss off your phone, you need to log out of iCloud, all of your apps, literally everything. People can find information if you haven't gotten out of every single app on your phone. You may just be able to factory reset your phone and that should be enough, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. You can catch me logging out of every single thing I've logged into on my iPhone before I send it off to its new home. Step number 4 is to either delete your eSIM or take out your physical SIM card. Now, this isn't a do or die step. In fact, I don't think it has too much of importance. However, I'd rather be safe than sorry and take out of my SIM card or delete it just to be careful and just to make sure there are no mix-ups that happen when the new owner of the phone tries to log on and they're suddenly on your cell phone plan or something weird like that happens. You never know, so just delete it or take it out. And number 5, I mentioned it earlier, but factory reset your dang phone. Give it to them like a blank slate. Make them have to reset up everything. You do not want to accidentally be handing them over passwords or information or logged into Venmos, Cash Apps, bank apps. No, thank you. Just wipe it. Just delete everything. Now, if you have any questions on how to accomplish any one of these 5 steps, please let me know in the comments below. But again, you should be able to find all of your answers to your questions at WhistleOut.com. You can find a link to this article in the description below. I'm Sherry, your telecom expert with WhistleOut. Thanks for watching.